Looking to upgrade your 2007 Nissan Versa's audio system without the hassle? Metra's patented Snap in ISO support system offers a smooth, reliable solution that fits perfectly and keeps your dashboard neat. With an oversized storage pocket and built-in radio supports, this kit isn't just about looks, it's about making your installation process faster and cleaner. I recently installed this system in my Versa, and it went surprisingly smoothly. What stood out was the oversized storage pocket, which gave me extra room to keep small items handy. The built-in radio supports held the single DIN unit firmly in place, preventing any rattling or shifting. The installation hardware and manual were clear and included everything I needed, so I didn't have to hunt for parts or instructions. A quick tip: before snapping the plastic panel with controls back on, make sure to secure the final trim piece first. It really helps keep everything locked in tight. Wiring was straightforward once I followed a few key pointers. When connecting the antenna adapter, hook the blue wire to the blue-white wire. Both black ground wires should connect to a screw located in the upper right area above the radio, near the air duct and close to the small storage compartment. Also, be careful not to unplug the left airbag connector on the control panel, only disconnect the right one. You'll have two connectors to plug in, one for the harness and one for the antenna, the other remains unused. If you want a hassle-free upgrade that holds your radio securely and adds useful storage space, Metra's Snap in ISO support system is worth a look. It's designed to fit your Versa perfectly, with all the parts and instructions included to get the job done right the first time. Try it when you're ready to give your car's interior a clean, functional boost.